Hello. In this video, I'm going to show you guys how to remove a yellow light on Canon MG2540s. So this is the yellow light, as you can see, and this is the name of the printer. Then I'm going to show you guys how to remove it. All right. So you firstly press the cancel button about 30 seconds, something like that, about 30 seconds, and then move on like this, and then remove it. See now the black color ink is appearing, and then the yellow color is appearing. So this is how you can do it. Now everything set. So let me try to print out one sheet. Let's see how it's going to come out. So like this. All right. So thanks for watching. Follow up for more video. Thanks. Please subscribe.